Hello everybody, welcome to the video. So today I'm going to show you how to make a pickup item system by pressing E. So first get the link to the model in the description. And you should see this. Go into my models here. Then you'll see this. Now ungroup this one. And now open the folders and put them to where it says. You should. And now put this one into workspace. So drag it into workspace. And now you can delete these two. So now let's test it. You should be seeing a key card. So let's walk up to it. I guess we did something wrong. Let's see if anything will say in the output. Okay, I think I figured out the problem. Inside workspace, there's one called items. You have to pull that one out of workspace so that it works. Now, let's try it. Back to it. It says grab a key card. Let's see if it grabs. And it works. Now we have a key card. That's all for this video. If you want me to show you how to make more items, then just like the video and please subscribe. Please. Okay, bye.